Akala mo ba na kailangan ng milyon para makabili ng bahay? Hindi naman. So let's talk about the smart ways to own a home. First is pwede na tayong mag-rent habang unti-unting nababayaran yung property. Parang regular na renta pero in the end, sa'yo na yung bahay. Next is low down payment. Maraming developers ang nag-aalok ng mahabang reservations at down payment. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera agad. Third is housing loans. Pwede tayong kumuha ng bank loan o pag-ibig financing para hati-hatian yung bayan. Mas abot tayo pa nga ito kung hulugan kaysa naman tayo maghintay ng malaking ipon. Kaya mo na bang magkabahay ng hindi kailangan ng malaking budget? Gusto mo bang malaman ng best options para sa'yo? Comment down below. This is your Millennial Agent and I help first-time home buyers buy their dream home hassle-free.